Going to discuss Emily Dickinson's poem Because I Could Not Stop for Death. In this poem, Emily Dickinson personifies death. It is personified as a gentleman. As the poet is busy with her work, the death himself comes to her kindly. She finds comfortable with his kindness. He comes in a carriage to pick her up. There are 3 persons including her in the carriage: death, herself, and immortality. The carriage comes to take her away from this worldly existence. Then she describes her journey, saying, "We slowly drove." It indicates that she too have control over the carriage. He was not in a hurry. She has put away her labor, her leisure for his civility. That means that she has accepted her mortality because of his kindness and gentility. Then the poet lists out the places she sees in her last journey. The carriage passed through one school. There children are playing at the recess time. It symbolizes the childhood. Then they pass through the gazing grain. It symbolizes maturity, that is middle age. Finally, it passes through the setting sun, which symbolizes the old age. Childhood, middle age, and old age are the 3 stages of man's life. After passing through these stages, one has to face death. That is what implied here. The carriage didn't pass the sun. Next, the poet talks about the carriage, but not passing the sun. It is the sun which passed the carriage. When she felt coldness only, she notices her dress. She is shivering because she is normally dressed. Her dress is only gossamer and tippet. It indicates that death is associated with coldness. The carriage finally stopped before the poet's new home. It appears to be the swelling of the ground. The roof was not visible. It is only a mound. It is her home forever. It is her final resting place. In this last place, centuries will be shorter than a day. Now only she noticed the horses' heads were towards eternity. She believed in immortality. That is reflected in this line. Let us see about the poem in general now. In this poem, the title and the first line of the poem are same. This poem is a journey from one world to another. All her poems express her preoccupation with death. There is a striking originality in her poems. She is original in her choice of subjects also. In this poem, each image is presented with preciseness and it is presented beautifully. Through concrete images, she explained well the abstract ideas of life. The images are actually logically arranged. She described how we need to get away from this early existence into immortal life, how we have to move. Everything she has clearly explained. She has blended each image in this poem to the theme of this poem. Her main message in this poem is that everyone on earth are going to experience immortality and eternity. After our short life in this temporary worldly life, one has to face death. Finally, after death, we have to experience immortality and eternity. That is the message conveyed in this poem. Thank you.